Hi East Bears. I hope you're doing well. I want to make this video and talk about an upcoming email that you'll receive and what it means. So I want us to start our video chat by centering ourselves with this quote. You guys remember how much I love quotes, right? Well, this quote really resonated with me. I really feel this quote because right now it's a weird time, not gonna lie. Even if you're kicking it and living your best life, you still have a little bit of uncertainty probably. Like the world is a little different right now. But my quote is here to help us. It says, embrace uncertainty. Some of the most beautiful chapters in our lives won't have titles until much later. Okay. So why am I making this video for you? Well, soon you will receive an email saying that you have been registered in a class on Odysseyware for world history or by me. Stay calm. I'm going to be 100% honest with you, friends and historians. I don't know exactly what your student email will say. All I know is that I am required to set up a world history class in Odysseyware and assign all of my students to the class to give them an opportunity we'll talk about in a moment. I unfortunately do not know what it will look like when you receive your email. So I don't know if it will say the words Odysseyware or Dr. Denison or world history. But whenever you receive this email, okay, this is what you need to know. Number one, it is not required work. Then why is it assigned? Well, it's work to raise your third quarter world history grade. Why should you do that? The work we're working on right now is for fourth quarter. And I want to emphasize this is only for world history. There are some contents using Odysseyware for their fourth quarter work. I am only speaking on world history Odysseyware assignments. So why should you do them if they are for third quarter? Well, remember, your second semester grade is an average of your third and fourth quarter grades. You're doing our fourth quarter grades on Google Classroom. If you didn't like your third quarter grade, and when they're averaged together, that will be your second semester grade, this is an opportunity to work on third quarter grades. Why would you want to do that, even if you passed? Well, your GPA will be higher with semester A's and B's. And remember, your GPA is what goes on your transcript. It's what colleges look at. And if you're thinking, I'm not going to college, well, you can also put your GPA on your resume and job applications, and employers will know what a bright student you are, or bright student you were in high school. Okay. So again, you will receive an email probably next week, probably not over this weekend, but this week, or next week rather. Today is March 7th. Today is April 17th. And I will finalize the assignments next week. And that's when you should receive your email. You're going to stay calm. You're going to know it's not a required assignment. But if you are not happy with your third quarter grade, you can do these assignments to raise your third quarter grade to have a higher second semester grade. Okay. I created a flowchart because you might be confused, and I think I might have just confused myself. So, should I complete the work on Odysseyware? Should I do this? Well, ask yourself, am I happy with my third quarter world history grade? If you can confidently answer yes, then cool. Focus on your fourth quarter work on Google Classroom. If you are not happy with your third quarter world history grade, then you need to sign into OdysseyWare and complete assignments by May 8th. Again, the signing in part on OdysseyWare is uncertain to me, and I'm not sure what it looks like on the student side, so I will be sending out as much help as I can to you whenever I get it. So you're not happy with your third quarter grade, you will sign into OdysseyWare to complete the assignments. How many assignments do you do? Well, that depends on your third quarter grade. What are you improving from? So if you want to raise your grade from an F to a D, you need to complete assignments numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you want to raise your grade from a D to a C, you need to complete assignments 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you want to raise your grade from a C to a B, complete assignments 1, 2, and 3. And if you have a B and you want to raise it to an A, then you need to complete assignments 1 and 2. I hope this helps you understand another way that we are learning this year. It's a new opportunity for us to raise our grades and to learn about technology. And all the while, we will keep ourselves very centered with this quote, "We are embracing uncertainty, because some of the most beautiful chapters in our lives won't have titles until much later." I am so grateful that I'm part of this chapter for you. Please know that I am available in many different ways. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. You can reach me by email, by call or text, or you can join one of our Zoom sessions that are scheduled and posted in Google Classroom. East Bears, I hope you all stay well and safe and are all nice to each other. Hope to see you soon.